Forging its roots in the vibrant city of China, Hong Kong in 2012, Neo Art Jewellery Manufacturer Limited has swiftly ascended as a beacon of excellence in fine jewelry manufacturing. Nestled in the heart of Panyu, Guangzhou, the world's preeminent hub for fine jewelry creation, Naj's state-of-the-art facility stands as a testament to the company's unwavering commitment to craftsmanship and quality. Naj's mission transcends borders, endeavoring to adorn clientele across globe, from the bustling markets of the U.S. to the refined boutiques of Europe. The company's holistic approach caters to both wholesale and retail sectors, offering an array of services, including innovative product development, meticulous prototype crafting, and strategic material sourcing that spans the gamut from sparkling diamonds to the rarest precious stones. The manufacturing prowess of Naj is matched by its stringent quality assurance protocols, ensuring compliance with the most exacting jewelry product standards. This dedication to excellence extends their distribution practices, ensuring a seamless journey from conception to delivery. Understanding the diverse needs of its clients, Naj embraces both OEM and ODM business models, providing tailored solutions that empower customers to outshine competition. The company's forward-thinking ethos is evident in its relentless pursuit of technological and artisanal advancements in jewelry making. Choosing Naj means partnering with world-renowned name synonymous with unparalleled quality and craftsmanship. It's an invitation to experience the pinnacle of fine jewelry manufacturing, where every piece is a masterpiece crafted with passion and precision for a discerning global clientele.
We provide custom-made fine jewelry which meets your requirements. Welcome to contact us.